Good evening, Mr. Berger. This is Jana Hedden, and I have completed my Chapter 6 mini projects, and I went ahead and did 6 of them so that, because you're nice enough to look at them. Um, the first one I did was the mini project 6-1, and it's the weather one where you get the use enter the highest temperature for each month, and then it tells the highest temperature for all year and what month that was in as far as number wise. So this is just some of my comments and everything, but that I will run that one now. Okay, so enter the highest temperature each month in order starting with January. So I'm going to put 23 for January, 34 for March, and it just keeps on going until it gets 12 in. Okay, so there's 12, and it says the month with the highest temperature was the month number 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the highest temperature all year was 87 degrees, and that matches that. And yep, there's nothing higher than 87 that I see. So that's the very first one. That's number 1 of my programs. Okay, the second one is 6.5. It's the it's called the power generator, and this is the one that runs it. I've got 2 classes there. This one was pretty short, but it just shows the powers of 10 from the power of 0, 10 to the 0 to the 10 to the 11. And here's the other code. It was a real quick and easy program. And I will run it now. Okay, so there's 10 to the 1, 10 to the 0, 10 to the 1, 10 to the 2, 10 to the 3, 10 to the 4, 5, 6, and then the 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And there's 12 of them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that's my project 6.5. Okay, 6.9 is the prime numbers. Let me close all this. And when you enter a number, it goes through and shows all the prime numbers up to that number. So that's what we got here. Here's our pane, because it's going to come show a different way, and then while is prime and current, and keeps on going for the current number, which is the number that you put in. Let me run that. Let's say enter the whole number. I'll show you the prime numbers that are less than your number. So I'm going to do 756. So we'll see how many prime numbers there are up to 756. Well, that is not right, because I see the 4. I know it worked before. Okay, so maybe not that one. Maybe I did. Let's see if I can run it again. Show you the prime numbers that are less than your number. Okay, let's do 45. No, because 15 isn't a prime number. Okay, somewhere my math is wrong. And it includes number. Well, phooey, I thought I had this one working right. Okay, so scratch that one, I guess, for now. Mini 6.13. This will be number 3 if it runs. Let me just go ahead and run it. Make sure. Okay. This one, what it does, it picks 100 random numbers between 0 and 1,000. So there's this big long list of random numbers, 100 of them. Then down here it gives the average. It added all together and gave the average, and then the maximum number that it spit out was 985. So that one works. Okay, so that's, close this console and get back to the, okay, there's the analyzer part and getting everything set up, declaring the variables, getting everything set up, and then the methods. Get maximum, get average, generate, and add value. Because here you're adding all the numbers together. Here you're getting the maximum number out of that list. And here you're getting the average number out of that list. Okay, and then the random data tester, it comes out. That's what it prints out. This prints out all that big list, and then this prints out the last 2 lines. So yay, that one works correctly. So that's number 3 that works correctly. That 6.9 worked, but it didn't work correctly like it did at one time. Okay, here's my currency converter. It asks you enter today's price of $1 in euros, and then how many dollars do you want to convert, and then it'll tell you how many, the amount of euros you will get for your dollars. And this was pretty simple. You just take the rate and times the amount, and then you get the exchange. And it comes out in 2 different ways. It asks you in this dialog, but then it puts it out in the regular comment section. And if you, let me run it for you. Okay, please enter today's price of $1 in euros. Okay, I'm going to put $1.20 or 1.25. So, and it says how many US dollars do you want to convert? So I'm going to do 10 because that's just easy to keep up with. I'll do 50. I'll do 100. I'll do 1,000, and I'll do 897. Okay, and then I'm going to cancel it, and it gets out. But then the price, the amount of euros you will get for your dollar is 1.25. That was the 10, and here's the 100 and 1,000, and then the other numbers. So that one works good, and that's 6.3. So that's number 4 that works correctly. And then 6.8, the factor generator and the factor printer. Okay. Now what we're going to do here is enter an integer and print out the factors of that. So in increasing order. So I'm going to say 45. So that should be some 3's and some 5's. So we have a 3 times 3 is 9 times 5 is 45. And I want to run it again. I'm letting you see the code here a little bit. And then there's that code. Okay, so I'm going to run it. Please enter an integer and I'll print out the factors in increasing order. Let's do 88. Okay, we have 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 11 is 88, and they're increasing order 2, 2, 2, and 11. Run that one more time. Let's do 100, see what it comes up with. So we've got 2 times 2 is 4, times 5 is 20, times 5 is 100. So there you have it. There are my, that was 6.8 and that was number 5 of my 5 workable ones that actually work like they're supposed to. And thank you. I'll see you later.